To join a Google Classroom, it's as easy as going to classroom.google.com or clicking on the waffle up here and making sure that you click on Classroom. So there's two ways to get there. Then we see this plus button. You click that and you can click Join a Class. It will ask for a class code. So when you have your Google Classrooms, you click on the settings cog to get those class details, scroll down, and we actually have our invite code turned on. You can always turn it off if you want, but to get this person in, we need to make sure that it is on. Now I can display the class code, I can just copy this, and that is how this student is going to, oops, I missed part of it. When the code is blue, you know you have the right one. Come up to the join button, click join, and it takes a minute, but it's thinking about it, and boom, we are in our Google Workspace Basics course. So when I go back to Google Classroom, I can see it there. Now, if I'm done with it, I can click on the three dots and unenroll, because I also need to show you that you can use this invite link. So that is the link that has been shared on the document. When I put that into the Omnibox or where we put those URLs and hit enter, it's automatically going to ask, hey, do you want to join this class? And I have to say, yep, I want to join. And that is what is going to get me into this classroom. So that is how you can join a class.